Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Avalanche Division at Keystone RV. Today, we're in Avalanche's newest bath and a half bunkhouse floor plan, the 379BH. This model offers an amazing outside kitchen and entertainment center and is perfect for sleeping up to 10 people. Come along and let's take a look. Hopefully you can see why we're so excited about this all-new bath and a half bunkhouse floor plan with this awesome outside entertainment center and this amazing outside kitchen. Log on to our website or visit your local dealer for more information.